Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Many civil engineering students and civil engineers, they are free, they don't have job. Reason, this is the work of site supervisor and this is the work of civil engineer and their laborers. You can see this is RCC staircase. I think nowadays more civil engineering students, they are working on construction site and also site supervisor. Maybe they don't know anything related a construction site. You can see this is the situation of this staircase. This staircase is being designed for 4-story building, but there isn't they didn't use any steel rod for its compaction. They didn't use the proper formwork. They didn't use an limit amount of cements. You can see this is staircase. So how you will get a job? Because you don't know anything related with construction. You don't know what is RCC structure. You don't know what is honeycomb. You don't know how to fix formwork. So first of all, you should learn these things. Then you should work on construction site and you should join the site. This is just wasting of time, guys. So if you are working on construction site, so this is very important for you people to know fixing of formwork, how to compact concrete in staircase, how to use steel bars, how to use cement. You should know. I think they used M10 grade of concrete in this. You can see honeycomb. There isn't any cements. Look here. Guys, I can't say anything about this staircase. This is being designed for 4-story building, so it's up to you. So therefore, they people are just wasting their time. I don't know the site supervisor of this project. So if I see him, so it will be very good, and I will tell him that what's your salary and why you are just wasting the time and you are just spending the money of the project owner. So the owner should be arrest this supervisor who's performing this duty. So guys, this is very important video for you people. So you should know all about staircase formwork, about steel details, about its ratio, grade of concrete, etc. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.